Hi guys, hope you're doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to share PR packages that I have received in the past 1.5 2 months, and a little bit of shopping that I did again around 1.5 2 months ago. So I have picked a lot of new launches, and brands have sent me new launches as well. So I thought this will be a good idea to showcase all the new launches, like not all the new launches, but most of the new launches that were sent to me or that I have purchased, and so that you guys know what's there in the market, what's new there in the market, and also I'll have a surprise giveaway towards the end of this video. So do not forget to watch till the end. And yeah, let's start with the PR packages first. So I have already opened up all the boxes. That's why there is no pile of boxes to show you right here. I live in a small space, like a small area, small room, so I don't really like the idea of looking at a pile of boxes at the corner of my room. So I generally just, the moment the packages arrive, I click pictures and then I just dump everything in a big box. So I'll show you where I have all the PR packages right now. This one has most of the PR packages, and I have another box kept here on my side where I have some more PR products. So let's start with the most expensive face moisturizer of my life. This is from a brand called Silvasu. This is their ginseng light cream, and I got this for a promotion which I did for the brand on Instagram. I mean, this was not a part of a paid association, but they sent it to me. They wanted me to do stories. It was almost a heart attack. So I was able to hold the jar, and everything else is on the floor. So this is priced at rupees 17,000. Yes, not 1,700, 17,000. So I don't really know whether I should use it or not, because I mean it is too precious for me right now. I just want to put it in my showcase or somewhere, and it's for 17,000. I mean, it's insane. The pricing is insane. But Salvasu is a luxury Korean skincare brand, and I have not even opened it yet. It's sealed. I'm not sure when I'm going to use it, but I will start using it pretty soon, and will keep you guys posted if any of you is feeling fancy, bougie, and wants to spend 17,000 rupees on a face cream. Then you can check this out. This is a 50 grams jar, and this is concentrated ginseng renewing light cream. So yeah, this is the first product. Now I can throw away the box it came in, because it's a pretty bulky box and I don't really need or have the space to keep bulky boxes. Next, I have the sleeping mask from the same brand. This is Salvasu Overnight Vitalizing Mask, and I'm a fan of overnight masks because they repair your skin and skin feels really beautiful next day. This is priced at rupees 3,600, and you are getting 120 ml. Again, it's pretty expensive, 3,600 for a face mask, no matter how revolutionizing it is. We'll see how good this is. So this is another product from Salvasu. And lastly, we have their First Care Activating Serum, which is a product they have been promoting everywhere. I have already started using it. They sent me 2 samples. This is their, I think, 8 ml. This is the 15 ml. I have already opened up the 8 ml small pump bottle. So this is a product which you are supposed to use as the second step in your skincare routine. Right after cleansing, apply this, and it will increase the efficacy and absorption of the next product that you apply on your face. So I am using it right now, and once I finish the 8 ml, I'm going to use this one. I'll use both the products for a month, and apart from along with the other products right here, and I'll keep you guys posted. The First Care Activating Serum, this 15 ml is for rupees 16 or rupees 1850, and yeah, so I'm going to keep it here and throwing the box away. Next, I have 2 products from the Mother's Sparsh. This is their hair lape, the Shmool hair lape. This is intense hair treatment and promotes healthy scalp. So this is a hair mask, and then I have their 30 herbs hair oil, which looks pretty nice and it smells nice. I was just smelling it the other day. It smells really nice. It has this herbly smell, but not too strong. Very nice. And Mother's Sparsh is a very good brand. I have used face wash, I have used their body butter, I have used their face mask as well. They sent me a bunch of products when I was at my mom's place, and we tried everything there. And now I'm here. I've received these two new products. So these are for my blog. So I'm going to use them and review on my blog. If you want me to try and review any of the product that I'm showing you today, just let me know in the comments. Next, I have YBP's newest launch, which is their exfoliating cleanser. It has lactic acid and botanicals. I have not started using it because my skin was recovering from a stupid allergy. I don't know what caused the allergy, but I had this itchy and bumpy skin. So I'm not using any actives like exfoliating serums and all right now. I'm not even using a retinol. Of course, it is also strong. But this is how the cleanser looks like. Look at this. It is beautiful. It looks beautiful. I really like YBP's products. They are very good. They are very close to nature, and the products have this vibe of purity around them. I have their salves. They are very good if your skin is irritated and all. And please don't mind the frizz because my hair has been really frizzy for the past few days. It's been raining like crazy here in Delhi, and this is the only hairstyle I can do right now. I don't want to fry them with dryer. Yeah. Next, I have three glosses from Faye Beauty. These are their gloss priced at rupees 4.99 each. These were sent to me by the brand, and I've already done in this Instagram video using all the three. I'm going to insert a clip of that video on the screen so that you see how all the three shades look on me. I really like the packaging. It is really cute, and these have this roller ball applicator here, and it is very beautiful. The formulation is very beautiful. Look at the packaging. Faye Beauty is an Indian brand, and I think they are vegan and cruelty free. Don't quote me on that. I think they are, but they might not be. And the shades are very beautiful. These are almost like clear glosses with shimmer particles in them, so they work really well on all the lip colors. So I think I'm going to apply one on the color I'm wearing right now. So I'm using Emerging. Yes, Emerging is one of my favorite shades. It has this beautiful rosy shimmer in there, and I think it will look really good on the top of this red lipstick I'm wearing. The lipstick I'm wearing is Scarlett O'Hara from Sugar Cosmetics. So all you have to do is click from the back. It will disperse the little product here, and now I have here three new products from Sugandha. Sugandha is an Indian brand. I have been using their products for almost 4 years now, and they have launched three new products. They are Squalene and Ceramide Moisturizer, which is like a match made in heaven for people with sensitive skin, because Squalene is going to nourish your skin, Ceramide is going to repair the barrier, the damaged barrier, and works as a beautiful moisturizer. I'm using it right now, day and night. This is the empty box. I have the product right there at my vanity, and this is priced at rupees 1100. I really like Sugandha's product because they are of really good quality. So this is a beautiful product. Then I have these two serums that I have not started using yet. This is their Granactive Retinoid in Squalene. So this is going to be very gentle, gentler than other retinoid because it has it in oil base. So this is 2% retinoid. I have not started using it. Right, like I mentioned, my skin is recovering from an allergy, and I really want to recover it first before I use anything strong on it. And then I have their VCIP serum. This is again in an oil base. This has 15% vitamin C, and you can use it after a moisturizer or before your moisturizer. Since it has oil, it is going to penetrate your skin no matter how you use it. So I'm pretty excited about these two launches. So Granactive Retinoid is for rupees 560, and the VCIP serum is for rupees 799. Then I have some products from Dot & Key here. Sent to me a big hamper containing a lot of their new launches and the older best-selling products. So right here we have their Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. I'm not opened it because my skin does get acne, but it is not really acne prone. I'm not going to use it. Then I have this 72-hour probiotic gel. This is a product I've already used. It is a beautiful formulation, very lightweight, and it gives you intense hydration which lasts for up to 72 hours as they claim, but I always reapply my moisturizer after 12-15 hours. Then they have their lip plumping sleeping mask. It looks beautiful. I'll show you. This is the packaging, and from the inside also it looks beautiful. I'm going to use this as my lip moisturizer during the day, not as a sleeping mask, because I think it's going to work really well as a lip moisturizer. Then I have the vitamin C serum, which is not a new product, but they have sent it to me like I mentioned. This is a new launch from them. This is their Deep Pore Clean Milky Foam Cleanser. This comes in a tube form. This is how the packaging looks like. I really like Dot & Key's packaging. It's always very fun. It is always very quirky. And the Deep Pore Cleansing Foam is priced at ₹395. It's a new launch. And speaking of new launches, they have also launched their Alpha Arbutin and Azelaic Acid Booster Serum. This is a Bifast Radiance Concentrate, and so it has oil and water like this. You have to shake it first and then use it. So Alpha Arbutin and Azelaic Acid both are known for their brightening properties. So it is going to work really well for those who have pigmentation, who have acne marks on their skin. And this is priced at ₹545, pretty affordable if you ask. And then they have also sent with their Glow Accelerator, which is their 30% AHA, 2% BHA peeling solution. And last but not the least, they have also sent with their Retinol Caffeine Eye Cream, which I have not used and I might not use because I already have so many products. So the goodie box will have products from Dot & Key, of course, because I have too many products here. So there will be 2 winners in the end. So when the video is not finished yet, just keep on watching. I also have a serum from Mystique Earth. This is their Youth Concentrate. This is their Micro Copper Peptide Serum. This is pretty expensive. Price at ₹1899, almost 1900. Bottle looks beautiful. But I'll be honest, for 30 ml, this is a bit too much. The bottle is a bit too huge. And this is a new brand, Rituals, and they have sent me their cleansing balm, which I'm going to use after finishing this video to take my makeup off. This is the cleansing balm. It is in the lavender fragrance, and this is priced at ₹650. Then I have some products from Dermaco. This is their 1% hyaluronic gel sunscreen. This is amazing. This is a new packet. So this is the one I'm using, and this is a brand new bottle. So this is 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. This is one of the best sunscreens out there in the market right now. It is very, very lightweight on the skin. Very, very beautiful formulation. And I think it is perfect for all skin types. My skin is dry, but I don't like greasy moisturizer. So this works really well for me. Highly recommended. This is for ₹499. This is not a paid insertion, but I just wanted to mention it. And you can use my code. I'll mention on the screen if you want some discount on Dermaco products. Then I have received a brand new packet of their 10% niacinamide serum. I've already reviewed this serum in one of my videos. You can check it out. I'm going to link it up somewhere. Niacinamide is really, really good for acne marks, for sebum control, for your overall skin tone. Very, very good. This is a brand new box that's going in the giveaway pile. Then they have also sent me the 3% AHA BHA foaming face wash. This is again very, very good for people who have textured skin, who have pigmentation. This has mandelic acid, glycolic acid and salicylic acid. This can be used day and night, and it is priced at ₹349. Then we have the 20% vitamin C face serum from Dermaco. I bought Dermaco vitamin C serum long back. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen the story where I showed you guys that the vitamin C was already turning yellow when it reached me, the brand new bottle. So I'm pretty excited to try this one out. I did not use that because it was already oxidizing. So I'm pretty excited to use this one. Then I have their 2% salicylic acid clay face mask, which I have heard is really good for people with acne skin, textured skin. So these were the products from Dermaco. And I have here stuff that I purchased. Those were all the PR packages that I have shown you. I have already opened few PR packages because I was supposed to do videos. I have also received a PR package from the Earth Collective. I am testing out their hair care range, and I will keep you guys posted how it works and performs on me. These are the color bar, what they call it, Sexy Kiss Proof Gel Lip Color. These are beautiful. I've already talked about these in my Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul. I'm going to link it up. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. So this is how the gloss gel lip colors look like. These are priced ₹850. That's why I bought only 3. I was not sure about the formulation. I did not want to buy anything too glossy that just sticks onto my mask. But these are beautiful. These are definitely kiss proof. So I'm going to review them for sure. If you are interested, let me know in the comment box. Now I can throw away the box. Okay, then I have this huge box of some new launches, some products that I purchased. So I have also purchased the pot lipsticks from Lakme. These are priced at ₹650 each. These are precision lip paints from Nykaa. I've just bought 3. Why I'm saying Nykaa? These are precision lip paints from Lakme. I bought just 3 shades because I wanted to test the formula first. I'm not sure how transfer proof or long lasting these are, but I will review them in one of my videos. Just let me know if you are interested in watching that video. Then from Debashree's line, I have bought these two eyeliners. This is in the shade Define. No, Define is the name of the range. Okay, this is Jarousie and this is Destroy. I'm going to use these and let you guys know how they perform on my eyes, because I'm pretty excited about these eyeliners. I always do colored eyeliners because doing a full eyeshadow look is sometimes a bit tricky. Then I've repurchased my retinol serum from Olay. This happened before my allergy, so this is a brand new bottle and it was on sale. And if you use a code, I think this is retinol 25 or something, you will get 25% off on Nykaa if you buy Olay products. Retinol from retinol range only. I bought MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Over the Top. I really like this color and this came free. This is their carnivorous liquid lipstick. I'm thinking of doing a video on my MAC lipsticks. Just let me know if you're interested. And then I have picked Miss Claire's Everyday Foundation. This is their new launch. And I picked these in two shades. I'll tell you the shade. This is Caramel, this is Cinnamon. And from the look of it, they look like a good match. So I'll use them and let you know. I will do a video on these. So let me know if you're interested. And then I have Californian Almond Milk range from Nykaa. This is a new launch. So they have their body lotion. This is what they call, this is body milk. This comes in the spray form, very light formulation. Body wash, body scrub, body butter and body yogurt. So with this we have come to the end of the video. So I'm going to make two boxes of products that I've shown you today. Not all the products, some of the products I'm going to keep in those boxes. Basically from Dot & Key and Derma-Co. And I'll also throw in some more samples and sheet mask in there, and you will also receive some products from this Californian Almond Milk range from Nykaa. Now 2 of you can win these goodie boxes from me. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up and comment below which product you are most excited about, or if you have any requests like review requests for me, just let me know and I will announce the winners next week, same day, in the same description box. Do come back and check it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care and bye.